Hi all and welcome to the video that concerns generating variables. In Stata, variables are typically generated using the command generate, which abbreviates to gen or even to g, although I personally prefer gen to keep the code more readable. You may apply basic arithmetics when generating new variables. You can divide, multiply, sum or subtract variables and values. Stata also has a wider generate command which is extended generate egen. It can be used to generate variables of standard deviations, means, maximums, etc. Nonetheless, usually generate is all we need. If the dataset is a time series or a panel, it's good to use Stata's time series operators when generating variables. These operators make it easy to use lagged values, differences, or sometimes forwarded values of variables. The time series operators are used by L. D. and F. prefixes. For example, making a percentage increase variable is very easy with these operators. But before they can be used, the dataset has to be declared as a time series or as a panel. This example dataset is from Yahoo Finance and it's a monthly dataset for the S&P 500 stock index. First, the dataset has to be set as a time series using a sequential number and the command tsset. First, make sure that the dataset is in the correct order. Next, let's generate a growth variable. It can easily be created by writing gen returns equals d.adjustedClose divided by l.adjustedClose times 100. In other words, you can use basic arithmetics when generating variables. Similarly, the difference between the highest and the lowest value of the day can be created in the same way. Gen swing equals high minus low. This is as easy as it gets. Finally, let's examine the extended generate command. This is a different command than generate and it can be used to create variables of means, deviations, minimums, maximums and many other statistics. For example, if you need a variable for any kind of gap or the distance from the mean, it can be created using this command. Unlike most other Stata commands, it may be easier to use the dialog box for extended generate. You can find extended generate from data and create or change data. On the second row there is create new variable extended. Click on that. Now we have to find mean from the scroll menu and next let's give the variable name mean returns. Expression is the field where we insert the variable of interest, which in this case is returns. Finally, click OK and Stata creates the mean variable. The value for this variable equals the sample mean for the variable returns. And now the gap variable can be created using the generate command. Gen cap equals returns minus mean returns. The new variable tells how much monthly returns differ from long-term average returns. As could be seen, creating new variables in Stata is very straightforward and learning it won't take long. I have another video about generating variables and it focuses on creating dummy variables. It's no more difficult than creating any other variables, but there are a few tricks to make it even easier. So see you soon and have fun working with Stata.